Hello, this is Mr. Stone again. Like promised before, I said I would do a video for the quiz. So, just actually have finished completing the quiz with Mr. Denton. He actually left to make the copies. So, let me give you a rundown of what you need to know. Okay, there will be a quiz tomorrow, as you already know that. And the quiz tomorrow is what you need to know how to do. Remember the other day we talked about those artifacts and we inferred why or what we could tell about people from the past from artifacts, or what do artifacts tell us about the people that we studied. So you guys are going to be given an artifact. You're going to have an artifact that's going to be a picture on there, and you're going to have to infer what this artifact was used for and infer what this artifact tells us about the people who used it. So that's the first thing you have to do. Then you have to tell us and answer a question that goes on and talks about what is history. What is the definition of history that I gave you in class? Remember I said something about maybe the study of the past, could be, couldn't be. So you need to really look at that. Something else that we need to know. You need to probably know what is an artifact. You'll actually be given some suggestions on what an artifact is, and you have to pick out which one of them is an artifact. Then you're going to have to tell me which way longitude and latitude run. You're going to be given a map, so make sure you can look at longitude and latitude. Don't forget, remember, latitude runs from east to west, longitude runs from north to south. Up and downs, longitude, this way is latitude. Make sure you remember that. Today we talked about timelines, so make sure that you can put timelines, you can put those dates in order. Don't forget, BC, BCE, all start from the biggest number to the smallest number. Then you break, and then A, D, and C go from the smallest number to the biggest number. So make sure that you know how to do that. There's also something different on here too. There's a question on here that has you tell me how many years are between two dates. So make sure that you're able to go through and count how many years there are between these two different dates. Also that you remember about background knowledge, you know what that is, you know about inferring, you know about determining importance, make sure you know that. Also make sure that you know that you can use scale on a map. Also know to use your compass rose on a map. Be able to tell me north, south, east, and west, and if you're at one point and you go down a little bit, where does that take you to? Make sure you're able to do that. Okay, so if you follow this, you look in your brain, you use your brain, you look at anything in your folder that we've done since day one, you should be able to pass this quiz. There are 10 questions. There's a little mix of multiple choice, a couple fill in the blanks. You're going to have a picture, you're going to have a map. You've got two maps actually. So be prepared to do that tomorrow in class. If you do this, you should pass the quiz with flying colors. So there you go. Have a good day.